Hello, good evening, Jessie. Hello, hello,
Hello, teacher.
hello, good evening, Jessie, and it's nice to see you again. Wow, welcome again to our class for today. So, how are you, Jessie?
I'm good.
Okay, very good. Did you already eat your dinner? What?
Yes.
Yes. What did you eat for dinner?
I eat, I eat fish.
Oh, fish with rice.
Yes.
Oh, with rice. Did you also eat vegetables?
Yes.
Yes, okay, that's good to know. So very good. So now, are you ready to continue our lesson for today?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So since we have learned a sentence pattern in our last lesson, last Wednesday, is that correct? Yes, last Wednesday. So we had learned a sentence pattern. This is. So we use this is to name something. Like for example, this one. This is a stapler. This is stapler. Okay,
Zebra.
very good. So we will use this is stapler. How about this one?
This,
Okay, how about this one, Jessie? What is this?
this is yes.
This is
This is a yes.
yes. We call it as tape.
Tip.
Okay, one more time. Tape. Tape.
Tip.
Okay, good job. So we will use this is tape.
This is tip.
Okay, very good. So now, let's apply that sentence pattern with our review to this art supplies that we had learned last time. So this one, Jessie, can you name this art supply? This
This this is this is
starts with letter P. Paint. What is this?
paint.
Okay, very good. One more time. What is the name of this art supplies? Art
This
supply.
is this is
This.
this is pin.
Very good. This is paint. So next, let's have the next art supply. Okay, can you name this art supply?
This
This.
is this is a paper.
Very good. This
This is
is
a color paper.
very good. This is
Color.
colored paper. Very good. So detailed. So next, how about this? Can you name this art supply? This
This is
is
this is uh
start with letter C. C H. We call it as chalk.
chalk.
Okay, very good. Again, Jessie, what is the name of this art supply?
This is chalk.
Very good. This is chalk. So next, how about this? Can you name this art supply? This,
Uh, but I just see a chalk. I don't see a
this one. This is,
cannot.
oh, you cannot see?
Yes, I can see already.
Okay, you can see already. This is
This is a lamp.
a yarn. One more time, let's say yarn.
Yarn.
Okay, one more time. Okay, it's okay. What is this? What is the name of this art supply?
This is yarn.
Very good. Good job. So next, how about this? This,
This is a yarn.
this one. The next picture. Is it, can you see the next
I
picture?
just no.
Oh, no. but it's already in
I
the
can see
next. Oh, you can see it now. Okay, what is this?
this is a
Glue. Okay, one more time. Let's say glue. G g
glue.
glue. Very good. One more time. Can you name this art supply?
This is glue.
Very good. Good job. Perfect. So next. How about this last art supply? What do we call this?
This
This
is this is a desk.
tape. One more time. T t tape.
T t tip.
Okay, very good. Okay, can you name again what is this art supply?
This is
It's
tip.
very good.
This is tip.
Tape or tape. 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 Make it.
Tip.
Yes, very good. That's right. Not tip. It's tape.
Tip.
Okay, good job. Perfect. So next. So let's go with our new sentence pattern here. Okay, so let's listen to this a sentence pattern moon. So we have here. Can you see the sentence pattern?
Yes.
Okay, so tell teacher if you cannot hear the sound, okay?
Page 13.
Can you hear it?
D. Listen,
Yes.
ask,
Okay.
and answer. Then practice.
What's this?
This is paint.
What's this?
What's?
This is this.
What is?
Okay, wow, very good. So now let's read again our question here. What's this?
What's this?
Okay, very good. So for this question, we use this question when we ask about one object that is close to us. For example, here, let's look at the picture. There is a girl and there is a boy. And there is, what art supply is this?
This is a tip.
Okay, one more time. Let's say paint. Pa, pa,
Paint.
paint. Very good. So this is paint. So for this question, we answer it with this is. And what is the object that is being asked? For example, this one. I have a question for you, Jessie. What's this?
This is tip.
Very good. Wow, good job. This is tape. So when we say what's, it is a shorter version for the word what is. So for us to be more convenient, to us to say it more conveniently, so we will use what's instead of what is. Okay, for
What
it.
is?
Okay, yes. So we will use what's only. So for it to be shorter than what is. So that is our question. Next, let's have this one. Okay, so Jessie, let's take a look at number 1. What's this?
This is pin.
Very good. Paint. Paint.
Paint.
Very good. Wow, good job. Paint, not paint, okay? Paint. It's longer A. Okay, very good.
Paint.
This is very good. This is paint. Next, number 2. What's this?
This is yarn.
Very good. Perfect. That's a good job. So next, what's this?
This is
This is
tape.
very good. This is tape. Next, number 4. What's this?
This is color paper.
Okay, very good. Colored paper. How about for number 5? What's this?
This is glue.
Very good. Glue. How about number 6? What's this?
This is a chalk.
Very good. Wow, good job. This is chalk. So that is how we, yes, very good. So that is how we answer this question. What's this? So we will answer by this is, and what is the object that is being asked. So let's practice more. So I have here this one. Okay, let me just, this one. What's this, Jessie?
This is Caesar.
Very good. This is Caesar. How about this one? What's this?
This is flower.
Very good. This is flower. What's this?
This is pen.
Wow, very good. This is pen. Hmm, what's this?
This is
Stape,
this is tape.
stapler. Let's say
Stapler.
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 Okay, very good. So good job. So that is how we answer the question. So very good. I can see that you can apply it when you are being asked in other objects. So very good. Okay. So next, let's have another activity here. So you will, can you read this question? What's this?
This is
This?
paint.
This is
Paint.
paint. One more time.
Paint.
Let's say paint.
Paint.
Okay, very good. This is paint. What is the color of the paint?
This
What?
is orange.
Wow, very good. This is orange. Good job. So
I love
next.
orange.
Oh, you love orange?
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's good. Okay, so next. What's this?
Is glue.
Very good. Glue. And what is the color of the glue?
It look like a yellow.
Yellow. Yes, this one. Yellow.
What's yellow?
Okay, very good. Very good, Jessie. This is glue. Good job. Next. Okay, let's move to the next page. What's this?
This is a color paper.
Very good. This is a colored paper, or if it's only color white, we can call it paper. Okay, next. Next one. Let's move on to the next page. What's these?
This is chalk.
Very
Chalk
good. Good job. Okay, what are the colors of the chalk that we have here? We have
is rainbow.
rainbow. Yes, very good. Because we have red, orange, yellow, blue, purple, and green. Very good. So it's a rainbow. So
This
next.
yellow green.
Okay, very good. So this is chalk. So next. What's these?
No, you cannot see.
Oh, you cannot see? Can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay, what's this?
This is tip.
Very good. Let's say one more time. Tape. Tape.
Tape.
Okay, very good. Can you say it 3 times? Tape, tape, tape.
Tape. Tape. Tape.
Okay, very good. Tape, okay, not tip. Tape. Okay, very good. This
Tape.
is tape. Next.
Tape.
Very good. Next. What's this?
This is yarn.
Very good. This is yarn. Okay, so next. Okay. Let's have an activity here. So I will point some object and you will name it by using this is. Okay, let's have here our example. So what's this?
Already. What is already?
What is ready?
In
Huh?
in Wednesday, you either this one already. It's picture.
Yes, this is on Wednesday. We had this, but we haven't applied the sentence this is. Okay, so we will practice the sentence pattern. So, what's this?
This is yarn.
Very good. This is yarn. What's this?
These are chalk.
This. Chalk. Very good. Let's say this is.
This is chalk.
Very good. How about this one? What's these?
These are
This
this
is
is um pink.
paint. One more time. Let's say paint.
Pink.
Paint. Paint.
Pink.
Okay, very good. You
Pink.
are. Okay, very good. You are getting used to it. You just need more practice so that you cannot say it as paint. So paint. Next, what's these?
This is glue.
Very good. What's these?
Glue.
Glue. Very good. Good job. What's this?
This is the paper.
Very good. Wow, good job. So
Paper.
very colored paper. So very good, Jessie, because I can see that you are able to apply the sentence pattern that we had learned, especially the this is and what is the name of the object. So very good. So now let's move on to our new lesson because I think this is the end of the lesson. So we will have a newer lesson here. Let me just open the new lesson. So we are still, can you see the new lesson?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
okay, very good. So we can see here we are still in the unit 2, which is all about art class. However, we are in the lesson 2, which is all about colors. Okay, colors. So we're yeah. Okay, so for our lesson for today, we will talk about colors. Okay, especially your favorite rainbow. Okay, so now let's move on to the next page and let's have here some words that we will learn for today, which is all about colors. Okay, let me just have the audio.
Page 14. Lesson 2. Colors. A.
Yeah.
Listen, point, and say. 1,
red,
2,
Red.
yellow,
Hello.
Yellow.
3,
blue,
Blue.
Blue.
4,
white,
White.
5,
black,
Black. Black.
Okay, very good. So now let's read again the words. Let's have the first color here.
It's red.
Red. Next one.
Yellow.
Yellow. Perfect. Next is
Blue.
blue. Very good. Next is
White.
white. And the last one is
Black.
very good. Black. So let's learn more about of this colors that we have. Okay, let's move on to our next page. So, Jessie, what color is this?
This
This,
is
very good. This is red. Very good. Do you like the color red?
Yes.
Yes, because it is part of a rainbow. Very good. So
The
next,
rainbow.
rainbow. Okay, next. What color is this?
This is yellow.
This is yellow. Very good. Do you also like yellow?
Yes.
Yes. What are the things, or what are the things that you have that is color yellow? Mm, I
Is
have I have here this one. Ah, can you see it?
it's a funny.
It's an eraser in the blackboard or whiteboard. It's an owl and its color yellow. And also this one, the flower. What color is it? What color is this?
It's yellow, but I have one thing. It's happy. It's
Uh,
yellow.
you what do you have?
I have strawberry.
You
I
have
have
teddy bear?
no
Ah
shot.
no. Toy?
A shock. A
Ash
shock.
Asha? What is that?
A shock.
A shoe?
Shock.
Shock?
Shock.
This
Yeah.
one?
Yeah.
Shock? What is a shock?
Yes, yes, I know.
Is it a toy?
The boy.
Oh, okay. Okay, so next, let's have the next color. What color is this?
This is blue.
This is blue. Very good. And do you also like blue? Oh no, where is the blue? Okay, here is the blue. Do you like blue?
Yes, and
I,
cup is blue. This
what,
cup. My
what,
cup is blue.
oh, your
My
cup?
cup is blue.
Your cup?
Yes.
This one cup?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
I have here a pen that is color blue. And yeah, that is the only blue that I have here. Okay, so that
I have
is,
a thread too. I have a thread too.
you have a
A
pen
thread.
too?
Thread. A
Thread?
thread. Yes. Thread.
Oh, okay. That's good that you have a lot of blue. Okay, so
Yeah.
next. Next one. What color is this?
This is why.
Very good. This is white. So do you also like color white?
Yes, I so like.
Ah, you also like color white. Wow. This one. Let me have.
I had
Mm,
one thread is white. It's so
y-
many flower in this,
ah,
but
wow.
this is flower. It's flower. This white too.
Flower? What kind
White.
of flower?
Anything.
Wow. It's so sad I cannot see the flower. Wow, that's so good. I have here a handkerchief. My handkerchief is color white.
It's
That's
so
I
funny.
also have here a teddy bear. It's color white.
What is teddy bear?
A teddy bear. Ding. Ah, you can see the face.
It's so cute.
Yeah, it's a strawberry. Strawberry teddy bear. You can close its face. So
Ah,
it will become strawberry.
it's a strawberry you can eat.
Yeah. No, I cannot eat this because this is a toy. I can only play with this. Yeah, but this is a strawberry. Do you like strawberry?
No.
Do you, no, you don't want strawberry? Strawberry is
Yeah.
very delicious. It's so sweet.
But
If what are the fruits that you eat? Or what
I
are the
like
I like?
I like I like cherry
Oh, cherry. Wow, that's so
and grape
delicious.
and grape and grape.
Grapes? Oh,
Yes.
wow. Those are
It's
delicious
a bee.
fruits. How
It's a
about,
bee.
how about
So bee.
orange? Do you also
Oh, yes.
do
I
you eat?
want to drink orange.
Oh, you want to?
Orange. Drink. But I don't eat. I drink.
Ah, oh, okay. You drink or
Yes.
orange juice. Oh, okay, okay. That's so good because orange juice is rich in vitamin C. So it's very good that you drink orange juice. Okay, so next, how about this? What color is this?
It's
This is black. Do you like black?
no.
Ah, no. Teacher likes black. As you can see, my
Why?
yes, as you can see, my bed is color black. I have a
Yes,
lot.
my mouth is black.
Your
My
your
mouth is
what?
my mouth is black. My mouth
Oh,
is black.
your mom is black.
My mouth. Mouth.
Mouth,
Mouth.
mouth.
Yes.
Oh, why your mouth is black?
No.
Um, milk. Milk. Can you spell? Can you spell the word
Mouth. Mouth is my carpet. Computer.
milk?
Computer.
I cannot understand. I apologize. Oh
What?
no.
Where are you from? Where are you
Where are
from?
I am from the Philippines. Yes. Okay. So next. So that is the color black. Okay. So next. Let's have a new sentence pattern here. Okay. So we have here a new sentence pattern. Let's listen to
Page
it.
14. B. Listen
What
and
color is this?
Okay. Very
Red.
good. It's red. Okay. So let's just read this one. Let's
This
see. Let's say it
red
one more time. What color is it? It's
is red.
okay,
I
very
read my
good. Very good. So, as you can see, if you notice, we have the question earlier, what is this? But for this time, we have what color is it? So,
what
it's this.
color? It
Yes, very good. What color is it? So, for this question, as the same as we have learned earlier, so we use this if we talk about one thing. What is it? It's
what is
we use
is
it or we answer it by saying it's and the name of the color that is being asked. Like for example, this one. What color is it, Jessie?
this is red. It is red.
Very good. It's okay. We can also say just it's, so that we cannot say the longer word it is. So we can just say it's instead of it is because it is the shorter version of it is. It's red. Okay, this one. Let's have this. What color? Can you see this? What color is it? This one.
It is
It's
what I cannot say. What
I
I can
cannot say
is uh,
it.
it is orange.
Very good. Okay, how about this one? Um, this. What color is it?
Is pink.
Very good. It's pink.
Curly
How about
How about wow?
This one. What color is it? My mirror. What color is it?
It look like penguin,
Very good.
but
It's
I can
cannot see. How about this one? Last one. What color is it?
is a black,
Black. Black and
black,
what is the color of the
black and
flowers?
yellow, black
Brown.
and yellow.
Oh, yellow. Okay, it's yellow or brown. Okay, so very good. So good job. So we will continue this lesson on next Monday. Okay, so we will continue this lesson next Monday. So you did a great job today, Jessie, and I'll see you again soon. So goodbye. See you again soon. Bye, bye, bye.